Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to recreate a PLOUISE makeup look, and PLOUISE is known for her super technical, super precise, super winged out, colourful looks. So this is going to be a challenge and probably a bit of a struggle. I'm kind of nervous and kind of excited. So basically I was on her Instagram and I found this beautiful warm toned look. We've got a double cut crease, an ombre winged liner, shimmer, everything you could probably ask for, and it's going all the way up here to the hairline. So we are going to try that out today. Wish me luck, because I am not sure how this is going to go, to be honest. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and also ring the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload. And we are going to get straight on into the video. So I have primed my eyes using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Fair Beige. It's the one I always use, and I did prime all the way up here because the eyeshadow is going all the way up here today. I'm going to start with the top cut crease, I think. So I'm going to take a really small brush. I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm starting with this black shade down here from the Tati palette. It's called Memory, and we're going to start creating that crease shape. So this is going to be the kind of guideline for the cut crease. You want it to come all the way down to the inner corner and all the way up, and you want it to even touch the tail of your eyebrow. Doesn't really matter if it's a big mess because we are going to clean it up later. And then you just want to blend it out a tiny bit with the same brush. Just kind of go back and forth. And that is what we are looking like. Okay, we're going to go in with an orangey red shade. And I'm sorry, I am using more than one palette just because the black in the Tati is my favorite one. So to blend that out, I think I'm gonna start with a red, maybe the shade Living My Best from the Jaclyn Hill and the Morphe Volume 2 palette. And I'm taking that same pencil brush and just going over the line to attempt to blend it. Attempt is a strong word, apparently. I don't know how they blend these so well, like. And then just going back in with the black shade, because when you blend it out, you do lose a bit of the pigment. So we just want that to shine through as much as a black can shine. Again, you can do this super messily and it won't matter because we are going to clean it. Not that you would probably want to create this look. I mean, maybe you would if you're bored. I want it to look a little bit less harsh, so I'm going in with a clean kind of pencil brush and I'm just going over everything. I'm going to take My Man, which is this one here, and again using that to blend the edges. So we want to create a kind of gradient from black to yellow, kind of like a sunset, I would say. That red shade just made me look like I have a bruise on my eye. So this orange shade is kind of bringing it back together, back to life. I don't have enough lid space for this look. The girls on PLOUISE, first of all, they don't have hooded eyes and they seem to have such a big lid space, and I was not blessed with that, unfortunately. Now I'm taking No Joke, which is the yellow, and it's gonna go right up to the eyebrow. That will do for now, I think. We're gonna take a cotton bud and some micellar water, and now it's going to be time to cut the first crease, and hopefully that will make it look a little bit better. I think that looks better already. This one is just looking a bit crazy. Okay, the crease is cut. Now you just want to go in with concealer just to sharpen it up a little bit and brighten the lid. And before that concealer creases, I'm taking the shade Certified from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just using this to set that concealer. Okay, I think that's looking much better already. Obviously it's not perfect, but It's an upgrade to what it was looking like before. Let's cut crease number 2 and I'll be back. Right, now it's time for the lid, and I'm going to start with the shade No Joke, and this is gonna go on the inner portion. And this is just gonna kind of be a base because I am going to use some pigments because her one is super reflective and shimmery, so I assume that they use pigments. Next we need an orange, so we're taking My Man. This is gonna go next to the cut crease, kind of at the top, blended into the yellow. And then I'm taking the red, Feeling Myself. And I'm literally just creating the structure of the second crease. So leave a gap between the top one and the bottom one. On the lid, she's got a kind of pinky reflect kind of glitter going on. So I don't know which one is pinky toned. We might go with Ride or Diamonds mixed with a bit of Bougie. And this is going in the middle portion, the bit that we left bare. And yes, I understand that this is looking a hot mess right now. We hopefully are gonna make it work. I haven't actually blended anything together yet, so that's why it probably looks very crazy. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a blend and then I'm going in with some pigments. I haven't used pigments in ages, so I'm quite excited. I'm gonna make a huge mess, aren't I? Where the yellow is, I don't have a yellow pigment, but she's got like some sort of reflect going on. I don't really know, to be honest. I'm going to try to use Melon. This is a pigment by MAC and it is so beautiful. I'm just gonna put some glitter glue down. Okay, this is actually much more difficult than I thought it would be. Like, I thought it would be super difficult, but it's super difficult right now. So I don't know really what was working. I'm going in with the Stila Magnificent Metals glitter. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. So this is going on as the base kind of thing all over the inner portion, like halfway across the lid. And the next thing I'm going in with is this INGLOT pigment, and it's in the shade 50. I want to show you guys because it's the most beautiful thing in the entire world. Like, look at that. It's a pink one with gold reflex and it's stunning. So this is going on the middle portion where we had the pinky shimmery shade. So beautiful. And this pigment is by Makeup Geek and it is in Vegas Lights. I remember this was an OG. Okay, we've got a little something going on. I'm going to take another cotton bud and some micellar water, and I'm actually going to remove some bits from the lid and start creating the shape for the winged liner, which apparently is not going very well. So the wing liner kind of starts in the middle of the eye, not all the way on the inner corner. Now that I've kind of got that off, I'm going to go in with my concealer again, just so we have a kind of blank canvas for the eyeliner. This eyeliner needs to be thick, guys, like as thick as you can possibly make it. I'm just gonna do one eye for now and see how it goes, and then we will attempt the other eyes. So firstly, I'm taking Memory from TATI Beauty palette, and this is going on the first portion of the eyeliner. Then I'm going for Crazy, which is a kind of plummy shade, because we want to create an ombre effect. It's going to end up into red, so we're going for black, and then I'm going for this shade here, just to blend out the black a little bit. And the last one for the liner is going to be the red shade called Living My Best. Okay guys, I lied. It's not the last shade because it goes red and then it kind of goes back to dark again. So I'm taking the shade Crazy, the plummy shade, and just creating the outer portion of the wing. Ooh, that's a mess. Okay, I mean, it doesn't really look like the P. Louise one, but it's okay. It's not the worst. Okay, we are going to clean up this outer wing. I mean, it looks kind of cool, right? It looks kind of like a drag look. And also I want to clean this part up, but I don't know how. Okay, what I'm doing is taking a teeny tiny angled brush and just going over this bit where the wing is with a concealer. I forgot to say. I think that'll do. I've had enough. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I'm just gonna do the other eye quickly, do my base and everything. Then we just need to do the lower lash line and lashes and we will be done. Okay guys, we are almost there and I feel like it looks way better now that I actually have a base on and I cleaned up all the fallout and all the lines and everything. So for the lower lash line in the picture, it doesn't actually look like she's really wearing anything. I need a little something on my lower lash line. So I think I might just take a bit of yellow and orange. First, I'm going to take No Joke, which is the yellow shade. You guys know that my looks look like they're gonna turn out a huge mess until the very end. I mean, it's still not perfect, but it looks much better. I'm just running that very slightly onto the lower lash line, all the way along, and then taking a tiny bit of orange. I'm using My Man in the Jaclyn palette, which I've shown you 100 times already in this tutorial. I mean, tutorial is not really the word I would call it. This hot mess or this watch me make a fool of myself. I really just don't know how they do this, guys. I don't understand. I need to go to that P. Louise Makeup Academy. Okay, I'm just adding a tiny bit of black shadow. I'm just connecting that black down to the lower lash line just so everything connects together. The last thing I'm going to do before liner and lashes is apply some black liner into the waterline and the tight line and just elongate that inner corner. My camera is gonna die because I've been here for so long. So I'm just going to apply mascara and lashes and then the look will be complete. No, wait, I lied. The look is not going to be complete until I do my lips too. So I'm taking the MAC lip pencil in the shade Whirl. And for my lipstick today, I'm taking MAC Peach Stock, which is a brownie nude shade. P. Louise is kind of known for that obvious lip liner. Okay, that is super nude. Super nude. Just going back in with Whirl. And I'm going to add a clear gloss on the top because also P. Louise is known for her glossy lips. So we've gone super nude because we've got a lot going on the eyes. I'm going to now apply mascara and lashes and then I'll be done. Okay guys, we are finally done and I'm pretty proud of myself. I know it's not perfect. It doesn't look exactly like P. Louise's makeup, which was to be expected, to be honest. But it was nice to try something different. I've never done a double cut crease that goes out so far, like so winged out. I am gonna zoom you in so you can take a closer look at the eye. The eyeliner, I don't know why, but it came out a bit patchy. This side looks a little bit better, I think. But those pigments are just so reflective and it's definitely something different for me. So I like trying new techniques and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love for you to comment down below because I love speaking to you guys. And also if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.